Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another razor review. Right, attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it shave good? Today, we are coming at you with this Turkish style razor, the level 3. Paid about $6 USD on Amazon for this. I have it loaded with a Derby professional blade. I will show you in just a second how to load this. I've never seen anything like this before, and I had to go online to find out. So, it came in this packaging, available I think in 3 different colors. Today we are going with a new release from PAA. This is Electro High Shine. It pays homage to Chrome by Zero. A separate video coming very soon for that, so check it out. This is from the Doppelganger series. Using my Moon Striker with a Snickel synthetic or hybrid brush, hybrid bristles. Got a lather made up. So very curious to see what this will shave like. It's been a long time since I've used a Shavette, but you can see the amount of blade exposure. So it shouldn't be too bad. I'm going to take my time. I've got a lot of growth to go through, but first, let me show you how to load this and then we'll come right back. So, we are back. Gonna wet our face, get our lather on, do a multi-pass shave, and then we'll come back and let you know what I think. Hopefully, it's going to go relatively bloodless. So, we are back and got her cleaned out. Overall, not too bad. A little bit down here. Again, it has been a very long time since I've used a Shavette, so I was going very, very gingerly. Now, I found the first pass very tuggy, and I don't know if that's because I had that much to go through, because this is a derby, not renowned to be a super, super sharp blade, or because of the way you load this, you kind of have to press it into a hard surface to set that blade to get it nice in there. And I don't know if maybe that takes off, frees up the edge that's on there, but overall, I would say a DFS for as much growth as I had to go through. Again, taking it very easy. Cut a little bit more out of my goatee than I wanted to. Again, been a long time, a little bit discombobulated. My coordination wasn't super good, but let's take our alum to it and see how we do. Now, much to my surprise, there's zero burn. Absolutely zero burn. Really, again, surprises me a lot. So let's take our aftershave to it. Again, EAA matching aftershave. This new doppelganger that either is out now or is coming up very soon. Check out my video for it when that's up. Very interesting scent. No burn whatsoever, and that is alcohol based. So, what do I think of the $6 level 3 Turkish style razor currently loaded with a derby? For the price, I like using Shavette. Like I said, it's been a long time. Don't really care for this one. I don't like the way it loads and unloads. Definitely not a fan of that whatsoever. Makes me nervous to do it. Again, considering you can get a Parker for, Parker's probably going to run you, what, 20, 30, 40 bucks or whatever. It's a $6 razor. I guess I kind of get it. In certain times you might want to just quickly knock that blade out, but the way that someone like a Parker loads is so much more efficient. It doesn't put you at risk of getting cut as badly. I don't think it's going to damage the blade the way that this might. Hand feel, it's not bad. Very lightweight. The jimping, those little teeth, they definitely will have bite into you. You're not going to have this slip out of your hand. The fact that your blade is about 2/3 of the total span of this. Now, I don't know if I could put a different style of blade in this or not. I might try that, but you feel like you're going to get the full width of the shave when it's only maybe 2/3 of the span that's actually doing the shaving itself. So, again, first time using it. Not something that I would probably reach for again, but for the price, that's up to you. So, yeah, that's kind of my thoughts on it. So, anyway, let me know if you find this helpful. Let me know if you've tried one of these Turkish style razors. Comment down below. So, anyway, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. I hope you guys have a fantastic one. And we'll see you again real soon. You guys take care. Bye-bye.